In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase the number of search results per page in Google Chrome so you can see more results at once and save time while searching. This is a super simple trick, and it works great if you're doing research, comparing websites, or just don't want to keep clicking to the next page over and over again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how your system is set up. Once Chrome is open, make sure you're on a new tab or any page where you can use the address bar. Next, click the address bar at the top of the browser. This is where you normally type websites or search terms. Instead of doing a regular search, we're going to use a special Google search URL that tells Google to display more results on each page. Now type this exactly, https://www.google.com/search?q equals Google hash equals 100. After typing it in, press enter on your keyboard. What this does is load a Google search page with the number of results set to 100, which means Google will try to show up to 100 search results on one page instead of the usual smaller amount. If you want to search for something other than Google, you can easily change the word in the URL. For example, if you want to search for technology, you would replace Google with technology, like this. https://www.google.com/search?q equals technology hash equals 100. Then just press enter again, and Google will return results for that topic while still showing more results per page. This is really useful because it makes browsing search results much faster. Instead of opening page after page, you can scan through a larger set of results all at once. That can be especially helpful when you're looking for articles, products, tutorials, or anything where you want to compare multiple options quickly. One thing to keep in mind is that Google may not always show exactly 100 results in every situation, but this method will increase the number displayed per page significantly compared to the default. Also, if you want to use this often, you can bookmark the modified search URL or simply copy and paste it whenever you need it. And that's it. You now know how to increase the number of search results per page in Google Chrome using a simple Google search URL. It's fast, easy, and very handy for better browsing and research. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips, browser tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.